Dear students, yesterday I have taught you three lists about union list, concurrent list, state list. And yesterday I have taught you if any subject is mentioned in union list, only parliament is in power to make law, central government is empowered to make law. Second, state list I have taught and how many subjects are there in state list, only state government is empowered to make the law. And last one, concurrent list, means both government is empowered to make the law. So dear students, each and every list having respective subjects. Suppose if any new subject is there and that subject is not mentioned either union list or state list or concurrent list. Suppose this is new subject not mentioned in any of the three lists. So now dispute can become कि central government can make law or state government can make the law. With reference to these dispute, our forefather made very good constitution, very appropriate constitution, because they were intellectual and they were very much familiar that many problems will be occurred, then many new subjects will also occurred in upcoming years. So that's why they made one more clause that is known as residuary power. What is residuary power? If any subject is not mentioned in any three lists, meaning in union list, in state list, in concurrent list. Suppose any subject is there not mentioned, then now who can make the law? Parliament is empowered to make the law. So that this is known as residuary power. I think all my words are very much familiar regarding this one, residuary power. So residuary power enjoyed by only parliament, only central government, not state government. So residuary power is very important. Now qualifications I have taught you. Qualifications of member of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha I have taught you: must be Indian citizen, not having office of profit, should not be insolvent, and should not be proclaimed criminal, and should not be unsound mind. So these points you can write in Lok Sabha also, Rajya Sabha also. Only one difference is there between qualification of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, that is age. For Lok Sabha, age will be 25, and for Rajya Sabha, minimum age will be 30. Now, so qualifications to all of you are very much familiar. Now I would like to teach you disqualifications of the member of either house of the parliament. If any person holding office of profit under the government of India or government of any state, okay, so he can be disqualified. Second one, if he is unsound mind and stands so declared by the competent court, then he can also declared incompetent or disqualified. If he is an undischarged insolvent, then also he can be declared disqualified. If he is not a citizen of India, then also he can be disqualified. Okay, now one more point is there, by that only I would like to teach you. So these points are sufficient. Now vacation of seat, one point is there, that is very very necessary. Means in which circumstances a seat of member of parliament will be taken concern that that seat is vacant. If a member resign and send written application to speaker, means give a resignation in easy word we can see, so seat will be vacant. Second one, if a member is going outside and continuous 60 days he is outsider, not given any information to speaker, so that person will be declared, that seat will be declared vacant. If a member became subject to any of the disqualification laid down the constitution or act of the parliament, so then also member will be disqualified. And last point, that is very very important to understand this one. If a person disqualified from the being a member on the ground of defection under the anti-defection law, I would like to teach you anti-defection law. What is anti-defection law? Dear students, you should know this one. Anti-defection law means if any member of parliament is there and he has been elected from any recognized political party, means in election, suppose example, I am giving one example, suppose any member is there, he has taken tickets from BJP political party, one example I am telling, and became a member of parliament. But after 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, he joined other political party like Congress. So he will be terminated from his post. His membership will be gone on anti-defection law. I think you are getting this one. Means if any person jumping one political party to other political party, so by anti-defection law his membership will be suspended. So a person is just disqualified for being a member on the ground of defection under the anti-defection law. According to the anti-defection law, when a member of the house given up the membership of his party or votes against the direction given by the party to which he belongs, he shall be disqualified from being a member of the house, provided there is not a split in party with at least 1/3 of its member. So these are main points today. So I think you are getting this one. And now if anybody will ask example, tell me example of residuary power, so I think very easily you can give example like cyber crime or data hacking. So these type of cyber crime, okay, has not been mentioned in either union list, state list, concurrent list, because when our forefather had made the constitution. So dear students, you know this one, computer was there, so your answer will be there. Computer was not there. When computer was not there, the data hacking was also not there. Cyber crime was also not there. So our forefather had not mentioned these issues because they were not familiar about this type of new innovations. So definitely in upcoming year, suppose many other issues will be coming. So that issues that subject not, if not mentioned in any three lists, means not mentioned in union list, state list or concurrent list, then only parliament is empowered to make law, and that subject will be known as, okay, that subject will be taken concern by parliament. And by which power? By residuary power. Means this is a special power given by our forefather, our maker, framer of the constitution, to the central government to make law on those subject which is new one, not mentioned either union list, state list or concurrent list. So only this much today. And next day, dear students, I will come with another video. Thank you. Dear students, if you will pay attention in my class, so easily you can understand each and every topic. Why I'm making very small videos, that it will be very easy for you to understand. And very small video I'll release, okay, that will be very beneficial for class 10th students. Thank you.